As a manufacturer or distributor, the way you manage the flow of goods, data, information, and finance will determine your level of success. Introducing Syspro ERP for supply chain management, the secure and efficient solution that gives you the control you need and the experience you want along every step of your supply chain journey. Syspro Preferred Supplier optimizes the management of sourcing strategies. Inventory optimization increases forecast demand accuracy and also ensures stock holding is accurate. Once your ideal suppliers are in place, the challenge is maintaining the correct stock holding and balancing supply with demand. Here, Syspro Inventory Management, Inventory Optimization, and Bill of Materials facilitate the inbound process, while Syspro Material Requirements Planning creates realistic production, purchasing, and supply transfer schedules. With the supply chain of tomorrow, every step of the journey will be attuned to the needs of the customer. Our fit-for-purpose supply chain management solution ensures organizational and internal operational control, connectivity, and visibility with enhanced information and intelligence to enable faster and more informed decision-making, giving you the control you need and the experience you want along every step of your supply chain journey.